motorcycle. Exactly. Ah, your genitals get a special region by itself. So what does that tell you about your genitals? They're very sensitive. Gets a whole region. You don't see the equivalent on the other side, right? So the genital gets its own special area because it's extremely sensitive. Make sense? All right. So yeah, I want you to understand what you're looking at. It's not just a pretty color picture of a weird body. It has meaning. Okay. All right. Let me move on. Okay, so now we're going to white matter. Okay, that was gray matter, white matter. What's this picture talking about? The tract. Aha. So CNS, that was gray. When we come to white, we call them tract. Okay. What's white matter again? Myelinated axon. Good. And in this picture, the pink line shows you what kind of tract? Association tract. So what do you think? Describe to me. What's association tract? Is it in the same hemisphere? Are we in the same hemisphere? Yeah, same hemisphere. So connecting the different lobes in the same hemisphere is going to be association tracts, okay? What about here? What other tracts exist? Kamishiro tract. So complete the sentence. Kamishiro tract goes where to where? Right and left. Ah, so what is this thing here called? Corpus callosum. Is that on your lab list? Yeah. And what color was it? White. Because it's Kamishiro tract. Okay, so lab, I would ask you, what is this called? You say corpus callosum. In lecture, I'm going to say, what is going to be in the corpus callosum? And the answer would be Kamishiro tract. You see the difference? Mm-hmm. All right, what else? What other tracts are there? Projection tract. And what is projection tract? All right, you guys tell me, look at the picture. What is projection tract? How is it different than the other tract we talked about so far? Exactly. It goes up and down from brain to spinal cord. Agree? Okay, so there's your three tracts. One stays within the hemisphere. What's that called? Association. One goes from right to left hemisphere, and that's called Kamishiro. And one goes up and down, and that's called projection tract. White or gray matter? White. Which means what? Myelinated axon. Okay, very good. Okay. I just want you to know these things are called nuclei. That's it. Okay. Know that they do have specific names. They do have specific names, and I don't need you to worry about the specific names, but it does get quite complicated. Okay. When you take a more intense anatomy class, you will have to learn these. But for you guys, just learn called nuclei. Okay. All right. Does this look familiar? Yes, it's all covered in lab. I want to call your attention. Remember the bulge here called the thalamus? Thalamus is all gray matter. This is what it looks like. So there are two, right? One on each side. And at the bulge, here in the crack in the middle here would be the third ventricle, remember? Third ventricle. So that's one thalamus on one side. This is the other thalamus on the other side. It's all what? It's all nucleus. All nucleus, which means what? White or gray matter? Gray. It's all gray matter. Which means what? Are there synapsing or no synapsing?
No synapsing.
There are synapsing. So the thalamus is like Grand Central Station. You guys know when I say that? Did you ever take a train or a bus everything goes to Grand Central Station, and then you make your connection, right?
Or Union Station.
Or what?
Or Union Station.
Yeah, or Union Station, okay? That's the thalamus. Things come in, connect, and then exit. So the thalamus is really, really important in terms of how the brain functions. For you guys in anatomy, you just know there's a bunch of nuclei. Okay? A bunch of nuclei. Here they are. And don't worry about the name. Just know there are a bunch of nuclei. Okay? That make sense? And then hypothalamus. Okay, so the diencephalon, right? Thalamus, diencephalon, hypothalamus. These are more what? Look at the name. These are more nucleus, right? Nuclei. Which means what? White or gray? Gray. Which means ability to synapse, right? Ability to synapse. Now, last week we talked about the hypothalamus making what? What did the hypothalamus make last week? Hormone. What kind of hormones? Releasing inhibiting hormone and oxytocin and ADH. Oxytocin and ADH, where does it go? Posterior pituitary. In this picture, what is this? This is posterior pituitary. So you follow these blue lines. That is the nucleus to make, and this red line, so these are the two nuclei to make oxytocin and ADH. You guys see how they go down? So that's why it didn't leave the bloodstream here, right? It left the bloodstream down here. Okay. Whereas the anterior pituitary, that's the releasing and inhibiting hormone with the portal system. Okay. All right. So, and then mammillary body is what? What do you guys think? White or gray? Gray. Mammillary body is more gray matter. Okay. All right. And here, what are we looking at? The brainstem. What's the beginning of the brainstem called? No. Beginning of the brainstem is the mesencephalon. Diencephalon was above it, right? Diencephalon was thalamus, hypothalamus, and then it becomes mesencephalon. So that's the beginning of the brainstem, yes? And then what becomes the pons and medulla. What are these little stubby things sticking out? Cranial nerves. You need to know them. You bet.